Justice Ishaq Bello has retired as the Chief Judge of the Federal Capital Territory, having served in the past since May 28, 2015. In his speech during a valedictory session in his honor, Bello said that in a democratic country like Nigeria, the key attributes of the judiciary must be its impartiality.
In several cases, I've seen the court take decisions against the state as well as for the achievement of the ends of justice. I know this well because I have delivered some myself. The position of a judge is an exalted one, which accords the holder great expectation by all and sundry. He is expected to assert his judicial freedom and impartiality, and to use all his skills to protect the rights of the individuals against lawlessness, arbitrariness, or anything that distorts the good order and societal stability. I can state determinedly that in today's world, just as it was when I ventured into this profession, kind-heartedness and compassion are essential virtues, and I have been striving to always keep that in my mind while discharging my duties. I also solemnly accept as true the saying that the greatest strength of the judiciary is the trust, reliance, and faith of the people in it.
He said his actions were guided by the words spoken in the glorious Quran.
I had always kept in mind the words spoken in the glorious Holy Quran, which I heard. O you who believe, stand out firmly for justice, as witness to Allah, even though it be against yourselves, O your parents, O your kin, be he rich or poor. Allah is better protector to both than you, in bracket. So follow not the lust of your hearts, lest you may avoid justice. And if you distort your witness or refuse to give it, verily Allah is ever well acquainted with what you do. Quoting the verse, Surah An-Nas, verse 135.
In his goodwill message, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Ishaq Bello, described Justice Ishaq Bello as a man with very deep passion for using the instruments of the law to dispense justice, especially for those seemingly ensnared in the courts and also the correctional systems.
His efforts as the chairman of the Presidential Committee on the Decongestion of Correctional Services as well as reforms of the prisons in Nigeria, which is one of the many of such ad hoc assignments that he has held, but highly sensitive, has been diligently undertaken and has seen to big leaps being taken forward in our efforts of having a correctional system that really achieves its objectives of genuine reformation of Nigerians who owe debts to society. We will also honor our commitment to Justice Bello in his quest for the establishment of a Children and Young Persons Court, which is a project for which he has great passion. We are a little bit saddened that certain circumstances very much beyond our control in the course of last year had prevented us from making as much progress as we would have wished on this particular matter. I, however, wish to reassure Justice Bello that we will do the best we can to see to its completion before the end of my tenure as Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, because like Justice Bello, we also believe strongly in the reformation and proper correction of offending minors.
Dr. Alex Izion, who spoke on behalf of the body of benches, said Bello recorded great achievements within the brief period of service as FCT Chief Judge through his determination and hard work.
I congratulate my Lord, the Right Honorable Justice Ishaq Bello, for his meritorious and invaluable service to the judiciary and by extension to the nation as the Chief Judge of the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory. We felicitate with you on this joyful occasion of your successful completion of your tenure. We salute you for your invaluable contribution as the Chief Judge of the High Court of the FCT.
Bello started his career as a lawyer in 1983 and rose to the position of FCT Substantive Chief Judge on May 28, 2015, until his retirement on the 5th of January 2021. Justice Salisu Garba takes over as the acting Chief Judge of the FCT.